Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. 2 newcomers and 5 players who missed the first 2 CONCACAF Final Round World Cup qualifiers have been named in the Reggae Boyz 26-man squad for their October qualifiers. However, only 2 local-based players found favour with coach Steve McLaren. According to Reggae Boyz head coach Steve McLaren, picking the squad for the upcoming World Cup qualifiers was not an easy task and was just as difficult as the last time around. A number of the players who missed out previously through injuries are back, but they could not stop 2 newcomers squeezing their way into the 26. Punching their tickets are in-form Inter Miami midfielder Ian Frey, as well as 17-year-old national youth striker Seymour Reed of New York City FC. Frey was invited to the last camp, but could not take up the invitation due to personal reasons.
But this camp, he feels fit, well and ready and wants to commit to Jamaica, which conversations I've had, he's always wanted to do that. Again, Ian gives us great flexibility, playing right back for Inter Miami, has played centre back, has played 6, 8 in midfield. So again, another player who gives us versatility.
Reed has played for Jamaica at the under-17 level, and McLaren believes that the stage is right for him to be given a first call-up after watching him a couple of times.
Was impressed. I've watched him in the second team, and now he's in the first team. He's getting appearances, coming on, scoring goals. Very young, not 18 yet. He's one for the future. But we want to get him in and have a look at him. And so I really look forward to seeing Seymour training with us.
Those returning from injuries are Ethan Pinnock, Amari Bell, Mason Holgate, Bobby Reed and Demari Gray alongside captain Andre Blake. However, a couple of notable names did not make the cut.
Players I couldn't pick for this squad were Warner Brown, unfortunately. The ankle injury is sustained at the very beginning of the camp, which was very disappointing. Is still not recovered. We miss him. Mikel Antonio, who has been training with Brentford, doing very well. Unfortunately, he's pulled a calf and will be 2 or 3 weeks out. We have Leon Bailey, who he was desperate to come and help. But unfortunately, he's just coming back from his injuries.
The Mount Pleasant FA pair of midfielder Jashawn Anglin and goalkeeper Tafari Chambers are the only local-based players called up. The other members of the squad are goalkeeper Jamali Waite, defenders Joel Latibadair, Richard King, Dexter Lembikisa, Greg Lee and Damian Lowe. Midfielders Isaac Hayden, Bobby Reed, John Russell, Karoy Anderson and Casey Palmer. And forwards Bailey Tai Kadamatari, Shamar Nicholson, Roman Burrell, Kahim Dixon, Reynaldo Cephas and Tyrese Campbell. Jamaica will play Curacao on October 10 away before returning home to face Bermuda on October 14 at the National Stadium in a match which could seal World Cup qualification.